What's up everyone, this is Tom from Chaseki and today I'm broadcasting live from our flight from Chiang Mai to Kuala Lumpur at a level of 35,000 feet approximately, and this is going to be a review about tea that you can get on a plane. We are traveling with AirAsia today and I ordered two different types of tea. Option number one is the Chinese tea, this one here. Looks very nice on the picture. And the other one is a English breakfast tea. So yeah, English breakfast tea, pretty much everyone knows what that is. But the Chinese tea says it's a Liu Bao. And so let's give it a try. This is actually what I got. This is the Chinese tea, the Liu Bao, and this one here is the English breakfast tea. And yeah, well, it's a tea bag, of course. Let's see. Okay, it's a pyramid, and smells very earthy, almost like a Puh Er. And English breakfast. Also tea bag, of course. And yeah, typical English breakfast tea. Smells okay. Well, what can I say? Very flat. Doesn't really have that much flavor to it. I just got it though. Maybe I need to wait a little bit longer. Steeping time shouldn't be too long, actually. Otherwise, it will turn bitter. Let's try the Chinese tea. What do you have?
I have herbal tea.
Nupagao herbal tea. That's something that we sell in our shop as well. And JJ knew better than me. Actually, we do have some matcha with us, but it's loaded in the plane, so we cannot get access to that right now. But yeah, let's try this one here. Very earthy. It's very Puh Er style. Dry, flat. I mean, yeah, it's drinkable, but you should not expect too much, I guess. So whenever you have the chance to take some tea with you on a plane, and maybe, or you can pre-brew something, or you pack your own tea into those tea brewing bags. That would be one option if you definitely want to have your types of tea while you travel. This is something that I can recommend. I'll give this tea another try. So this is the British breakfast or English breakfast tea. Okay, now the taste, it's improving, but still, after all, very flat, nothing special. So yeah, stay away from the tea bags, basically. If you have the chance to drink real tea, I always recommend you to do that. And as I mentioned, in many tea shops you find those tea bags that you can actually fill yourself with the tea of your choice, and that is definitely an option for you. To take tea on a journey on the plane. Sorry, it's a little bit bumpy here. A little bit of turbulences. So yeah. Again, nothing very special. Same here now, after 2 minutes, the tea is improving. I think the amount of tea in the tea bag is, I would say, about a gram. Yeah, something like that. So they show a picture of a gaiwan. Of course, you cannot expect to get a gaiwan on the plane. Maybe if you fly business class, but on the Air Asia flight, there is no business class. So that's the best you can get. And as long as you don't have super high expectations, I think it's drinkable, but nothing that wows you. And same goes for the English breakfast tea. I think if you add some sugar to it and some milk, then it might be an option. But pure without sugar, it's very boring. All right, that is my video for today. Typical, a very unusual tea day video, I would say. Since we're traveling for a couple of days, I pre-recorded some videos that I will upload on YouTube, but you will also see one or two other videos while we're traveling. So I'm going to check the teas that we're going to get at our hotel, because Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, they actually have a quite good tea culture, lots of Chinese down there, and I know they have great teas. We just need to find them. I hope I will have the time to do that. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. And if you like this one, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you can get the news as soon as we upload a new video. Follow us on our social media such as Facebook and Instagram, and please also check out our website. Thank you for watching, and keep on drinking the good stuff. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.